All right, I made jokes about this, but in all seriousness, let's do a quick video. The correct way to fold the Excursion seats. Quick video, but I've done jokes about this. I figure I should just show you guys the exact right way to do this. Fold the seats and do all this stuff. So let's do it real quick. All right, so when somebody wants to get in the back of the truck, you're gonna have them twist that, pull, the whole thing slides forward, both of them, okay? Both of those. If somebody is sitting in the seat, and you wanna show them something cool that they didn't figure an old truck would do, if you pull this lever, you can actually lean the seat back. That's right, your 2005 Excursions, your second rows actually lean back. So that's pretty cool. So those are the two options there on the side with the seat up. When you want to get the seat out of the way, you pull. You got to use two hands to push in on these little things. Pull this out. Look at Ford gave us these nice little storage things for it. If I can get it to go straight in there. Boom, headrest, and then this big lever lets the seat drop down forward. And you have limo seating if you want, or you have a full flat back if you want to play that. So yeah, that is the correct way. Everything that those seats do, what the handles do, everything like that, that is the right way to use your second row seats in your Ford Excursion. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you find these tips helpful. Love these Ford Excursions, as you can tell. If you didn't know, I am building this truck to be a rock crawler overlander beast. It's gonna be on 40-inch tires. Gonna be able to sleep in the back of it. We're gonna bob the back of it. We're gonna cut about a foot off of it. Yeah, it's gonna be rad. So if you are not already subscribed to the channel, you should check it out. We will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.